Good morning and welcome back to Living Crafted and Cozy. It's Audra here, and I just wanted to do a video going over our fall redo for the front yard. We wanted to get everything cleaned up, dressed up, and ready to go for the upcoming holiday seasons. So we got quite a few things we need to do out here. Things are looking kind of shabby and it just needs a little bit of upkeep to it. We need to paint the brick planters boxes that we have on the bottom. We need to get our planters in the front cleaned up. That usually grows peace lilies during the summer, usually all season long, but particularly in the spring and summer. It's kind of overgrown with weeds right now, so we want to get this all cleaned up, and we're going to come along the front and paint the front, mulching out in front there and cleaning off these two big planters in front. And you can see the front of the brick, how really rough it is, how it just needs that extra coat of paint to spruce the whole thing up. The front of the house looks great. The paint is still holding on that. We just need to paint these planters out. This is the front door. We're going to be cleaning all of this off, getting any weeds that have grown up here, and redoing my topiaries on the side. They look pretty ratty right now. And throwing up a few fall decorations. Okay everyone, so this is the front door step, and I wanted to take some time to talk about the front door decorations here. These were the pumpkin topiary I got at Salvation Army for $6, and the wreath was a flea market find. I'll zoom in so you can see the cute little scarecrow pics we added. And then the welcome leaf sign I got at Community Thrift. Just completely handcrafted and cut by somebody and painted by somebody, so unique and individual. And that was only $5. So okay everybody, so that's it. It's been painted, cleaned, decorated, razzle dazzled, and it's looking like super cute and ready for the fall. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.